Hello, my name is Iron and this is Iron's Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Sony WF-500 earbuds. Anyone who's been watching this channel for a bit or caught my other videos about headphones and earbuds know I've been using these, which are the Soundcore Life Note E. And actually, while these have been fairly good, I started to miss access to things like the EQ that you get with Sony products. So since getting some Sony headphones, being able to tune the EQ and just some of the features you get on the Sony headphones, I've missed when using my earbuds. And the sound on these, while it's okay, is not fantastic. And so I've been asking around, seeing friends, other people I know, to recommend me some earbuds. I didn't want any with noise cancellation. I have the XM4s have incredible noise cancellation, so if I need that feature, headphones are where I'd probably go to for that. But these were recommended to me by someone as just a simple pair of earbuds that I can wear when active, if I'm going for a run or exercising or just going somewhere where I don't particularly need the noise cancellation feature but want something that's good quality, sounds good. I can adjust the EQ to my taste, has easy controls, and fits comfortably and nicely, and they recommended these. So let's get them open, let's have a look, and just first impressions. So we have a nice box, very simple. This packaging is already reminding me of the Sony, it's a WH-CH720N headphones that I saw before. The packagings are very, very similar. It's got the same kind of recycled look cardboard inside it. But on the packaging, you've got the name, the picture of the earbuds, battery life. Apparently 10 hours and then 10 hours in the box as well. That's 20 hours total. That's not bad at all for earbuds, actually. And you can change the EQ. They're IPX4 rated, which is pretty good. I can sweat those, not a problem. Pretty simple little box, nothing much. And on the back, you just got QR code, compatible for iPhone, iPod. Some details there. Simple, nothing much on the box. That, I believe, is a warranty. Yes, so I'll put the warranty over there. Okay, let's get it open. So to open, just pull up this flap. And all this cardboard should unravel itself. There we are. What's in there? We've got some more details, how to use the Bluetooth, just basic information in there, nothing too major. Sorry about the train noise. Let's pull them out of here. Okay, just don't need that anymore. Let's open up this one. Okay, it seems we're pulling. Okay, so we pull there, pull down. We might play down. Might be upside down. There we are. So that's got Sony on. Didn't expect that. That's quite nice. Nice little box. Open that one. Some simple instructions how to use. Take them out. Put them back in. LED should come on. Connect with the app. I have the app already installed, so I don't need to use that. If you didn't already have the Sony app installed, you can use the QR code to find the application. And then you take them back out again when you want to pair them, connect them, and get going. So in here we have some earbuds, it looks like. Oh, these are the tips. So there should be a pair of tips already on the earbuds, and then you get these larger ones and smaller ones. So I think the M size would be already on the earbuds. So that's pretty good. Put those over the side. What else we got? We've got a little charging cable. I would expect Sony branded as usual. Yep, little Sony branded charging cable. These are USB-C. Focus. Okay, these are USB-C as you would expect. So USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Very simple. Quite short, but the one with the XM4s was short too. So not surprised there really. Put those over to the side, and then let's pull out the earbuds themselves. Let's put those there. There's something else down here. What's underneath? Little carry box. There's some documentation down here too. I would expect we've got instructions. It looks like some how to use, registration, maybe some more warranty information in there. booklets. Let's put those back. I won't go through all of those now. Okay, so not bad packaging at all. Very simple, but there we go. Does the job. So the main event. Okay, nicely wrapped in paper. That's pretty good. I don't like overuse of plastic, so this is good so far. We've got the one little plastic holder in there. Everything else is cardboard or paper. So I assume we just rip that one off. Okay. And then there's another one on the side you're going to have to rip as well. And they pull out. There we go. Let's put the paper over there. So the top is like not completely transparent. I think translucent, right? You can sort of kind of see through it, which is quite interesting. It's got the Sony information on the bottom, made in Vietnam, model number, USB-C charging. I like USB-C charging. Sony branded on the top. Let's open it up. There we go. That's quite a stiff hinge on there. That's pretty good. That's not going to, I can't imagine that's going to open by accident. Like if you drop that, I would imagine that stays closed. That's quite a pull required to get that open. That's good stuff. It appears to have pull tabs. What's that? That's just some packaging. Yeah, so they're we've got the black ones, they're quite sleek, quite simple. Let's take one out. Well, that's quite a strong magnetic pull too. That's good. They're not going to come out. They're not going anywhere. That's good. There. Yeah, pretty good. The tips are nice and soft. That's got like a slightly shiny metallic effect on the button here. The button has a very subtle little click to it. Nice. So I'll be back. I'm going to put that back. I won't turn them on and pair them up now. I'll do that in a moment. But initial impressions, these are quite nice. I quite like them. I like the little case that comes with them. Seems good quality, nice and tough, packaged nicely. I like the look of these. They're a little bigger than my headphones before. Like if I pull over my little sound cord buds, they are a very different shape to start with, but they're a little bit bigger. So we'll see how that goes in terms of comfort. But yeah, I'll be back after maybe a week or so of using these. I might use them. Possibly I will use them in place of the Sony XM4s, and I will get back and tell you what I think. But yeah, first impression is pretty good. I'm liking these. So these are the box back as well. These are the Sony WF-500 earbuds. First impressions, I'm liking them so far. I will be back with more. So my name is Iron. This is Iron's Tech, and once again, thank you for listening.